Hey YouTube, welcome back. Happy Friday. Today I have an unboxing for you guys today. This is the Bluetooth controller or a gamepad or a remote for your Android or iOS. I ordered this from eBay and it's from China. I'm going to do this unboxing for you guys right now. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Come with this white box. It is a VR Box RK Bluetooth remote controller. Get a key to open it. This is a black one. They also sell the white ones, but unfortunately I did not order that one because the white color tends to get dirty fast, so I stick with the black one. This is the battery door. You just pull down the latch right here and it will open. It takes 2 of the AAA battery, 1.5 volt. Button here. Should be L1 and L2. It's got joystick. There's a LED right there. On and off buttons right here. And this is an @ sign in order to program A, B, C, or D. And I'm not sure because the one that I got before, there's a switch right here for the iOS or Android. Hopefully it's a automatic switch to the smartphone that you're using, or else I had to contact the eBay seller. Anyway, this is my unboxing video for you guys today, so please give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you on the next video. And if your friends or family is looking to purchase a remote like this to control your smartphone, I got this on eBay for less than $3. You just need to have a patience to wait for the product to come in the mail. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace! Oh, I forgot to mention, this comes with the instruction booklet. It is in Chinese. And there is the English. So I'm not sure how come the one that they ship it to me is not, there's no switch for Android or iOS. It's supposed to be on the side right there, but I need to contact the seller, see what's going on. So that's a 360 degree rocker. Like I said, it's an indicator light. Touch and hold on and off button key right there. Function switch key. When switch function, press and hold the @ key first and then press any key of A, B, C, or D. So the A, B, C, and D's. So if you press the @ and then function A, it is for music video mode. And if you press the @ and then the B, the function key, is for mouse and self timer mode. And if you press a C with the @ this function key is for the VR self timer or video mode. And the @ with the B, I'm sorry, it's B and D. I switch around. Function key is for the game mode. And the one in the other side or the opposite side is just in Chinese language. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.